Tan up stuff is always the best option. Good morning.
Good morning.
Still asleep? It's all good. You ready to work? Oh.
A little bit.
Hey, Jack. What up, dude? Say good morning to the people. We finna get going because it's a little chilly and we need to warm up. You can see wood right there. Give me a quick cutout. Yeah, all them spiders and them goodies. That was a big spider too. Did you see him? Oh, right there. You don't see that bad boy?
Oh, he's hairy. Oh, whoa, you done slapped him.
Hey.
Hey, that, he's in the
Take that,
what
take
you call
that.
it? Look at that.
Okay. Oh.
This goes all the way over there.
Yeah, but what if that piece needs to stay on there?
I don't know. I'm going to put this back.
No, you gotta shit. How?
I don't have no leverage.
Nah.
You got to get that. There you go. There you go. Whoa, that just shot out. That one was, I didn't get. There you go, good job.
Boy, look at all of them spiders though. Yeah, it's rusted pretty bad. All right.
I think.
Okay. I see you. I see you. Huh?
I said, I don't know where that one went.
Right here.
No, the one that flew out. It came here by the track.
It still ain't gonna come all the way out. Let it fall first. Push it over, let it fall. Let it fall. There you go.
I wonder how deep that is.
If you stand in there,
I ain't gonna stand in there.
you'll probably go about a foot.
Ooh.
Here, let me do some other craziness real quick.
You crazy?
Yeah.
That's a first.
You ready for it? It's loosey-goosey. Let me see what I could try to pull back real quick and break something. Tan up stuff is always the best option. Come on, baby. Ah. Destruction is most of the time gonna work out for me, you know. All right, need a ratchet strap and some, and your muscles.
Oh man.
Ah, had to put my back into it, or my tractor into it. There you go.
This part?
Can you? Okay. I need to just unscrew those.
On the piece that's on the sliders?
Yeah. I'm gonna knock these off real quick. I do not want that in my tire.
Why not?
You want that in the
Nice
tire?
decoration.
Yeah. I knew it was something wrong with you when I met you. I just didn't realize.
Whoa, look at that. Woo!
Good catch. Damn it. It can't cut my line.
It's because of the way that one's in there. Didn't want to be hooked.
Huh?
It didn't want to be hooked. Nails everywhere.
Hey, you give me my hammer?
Your what?
My hammer? I'm gonna try it.
Don't go no more. Because the wood popped. Yeah, it was.
Hey, all right, check it out. We got a pretty good bit done today, you know, because you're seeing it in the video, so it's good to go. What you end up doing today?
I did a lot of stuff.
Yeah?
I was pulling down tin, chopping up wood,
Yeah? Yeah?
picking up nails.
Picking up nails, which should be good.
Oh man, you left the gate all the way open?
I left it open because I knew where Jack was.
Man, Jack is fast. I'm telling you, that day he ran. He said, I'm free.
Do what you do for the video. We appreciate it. We made it to that 1,000. Let's hit that 10,000 mark now. Do all the sharing, all of the good stuff that you need to do for us. And man, we can't say enough that we thank y'all and appreciate the love.
Thanks, guys.